Flat feet. Introduction. The inside of the foot is usually curved upward. Select true or false. Correct. This curve is called an arch. Do flat feet always cause pain? Select yes or no. Correct. Flat feet are often painless, but they may cause pain in the feet, ankles, knees, hips, or back. Which of the following can cause flat feet? Choose one of the following options. 1. Arthritis. 2. Diabetes. 3. Damage to the tendons or ligaments. 4. All of the above. Correct. Aging also can cause flat feet. Which of the following can help treat flat feet? Choose one of the following options. 1. Special footwear. 2. Physical therapy. 3. Medication. 4. All of the above. Correct. Weight loss and surgery can also help treat flat feet. Thank you for using Explain.